guys. Okay, well, welcome to a very cold and slippy, snowy video from Supermet Cars. Welcome to the channel. So as you can see, it is a little bit white out here. So I am in my Tesla Model 3, which is just over here. It is very much covered in snow today, and I've got a couple of issues with it. So it's been in Tesla, and it's got a problem with the screen inside. So when I'm been watching YouTube, or I've been looking at Netflix, and I go to put the car into drive or into reverse, the rear reversing camera won't come up, and it won't shut down the YouTube or the Netflix or whatever I've been doing. It takes time, and I'm finding it pretty difficult to deal with. So I thought I would show you, but I also thought we could have a go with slip start, which is the setting in the drive menu. And I can't see what I'm doing here. It's the first time I've got hair. It's absolutely amazing. It's a bit of a pain in the arse to deal with, if I'm honest. But I thought we'd have a go on slip start, because the ground, as you can see, is pretty bad. It's pretty slippy. Old shoes, old jeans, all old clothes on today. But this is my bit of exercise, getting out and about. But you can see it's pretty windy. I'm hoping you can hear it, because my hair is going everywhere today. It's not exactly great, but it's pretty nice out here. It's fresh though, seriously cold and fresh. So I'm going to show you slip start, but I'm going to show you the problem I've got with the screen as well. I'm doing it on my phone because I wasn't expecting to do this, and I've rather broken out to go and have a little look around. But let's get in the car, and we'll have a look and see what's what. This door handle keeps on freezing up, but it's okay at the moment. So let's get inside, and it's very dirty in here. Oh, can't tell you what, it's a bit nicer in here. And turn that music off. I'll put you here just for a second whilst I undress myself. Well, not undress, but I'm not going to get undressed. This hasn't turned into that kind of channel. But anyway, have a look at the screen. I'll show you what it's doing. I'll put YouTube on, and then you can, maybe you guys can tell me what's going on. It's been into Tesla, went into Tesla Dartford. They had the car for 2 days. I made my Model S video up, the 85D, and that was because they gave me it as a loan car. They told me they were going to fix it, but actually they're telling me it's a software update that's needed, and it appears to be that this is something that has been going on for a while with other cars from 2 prior updates. So let's take a look, and I'll show you what's going on. You can see the screen is just in its normal mode at the moment, just as you would expect. So then I'm going to put my foot on the parking brake, and I've just enabled the car, so the car's now working. Let's put it into entertainment. So I don't know, let's go into Netflix, for instance. It's a dirty screen, isn't it? It needs to have a little bit of a clean, I think. I should have cleaned it before, but I'm allowed. It's locked down, so this is okay. So Netflix is taking its time. You can see the snow going past. It's pretty awful out there today. People walking their dogs and things, and it's not great. Okay, Netflix is loading. Okay, so let's go into Netflix, see all my different accounts. Wow, just what I need. See, make a video, and Netflix is going to put its price up by £2. So just what I need to find out. Okay, so it's on Netflix. So if I go to turn it off, it will turn off pretty normally if I press the X button, which comes up at the top. In fact, it doesn't, comes up there. Okay, so let's just say I've been watching the TV, and then I'm going to move away. So we're going to foot on brake, and I'm going to go into reverse. So I want the camera to come straight up, which would normally happen pretty quickly. So, okay. Oh, I don't believe you. Did you see that? Okay, so the camera hasn't actually come up yet. It's still waiting. So I'm in reverse. Let's see. So that's been, what, 10 seconds. Let's see how much longer. That's 15 seconds. That's 20 seconds. That's 25 seconds. Okay, one camera. So that was 27, 28 seconds. So that's quite a long time if you're in a car park waiting for somebody. Okay, so let's turn this off. And then it comes up with this. It says, you know, there's always a problem, and it's always telling me there's a problem. I need to connect up, but obviously there isn't, because it's fine. So let's just go. Let's put it back into park again. So I'll hit the park brake there. So we're in P, Now let's go back into something and let's try it in YouTube. So we're going to YouTube instead, but you can see 28 seconds is a fair amount of time. If you've got a car behind you waiting, or you've seen something go behind you and your camera isn't working, you've got to sit there. It's been taking up to literally about 45 seconds to a minute, and it's just kind of difficult when you're in a traffic situation, which obviously I am not today. If you look out here, I mean, this is not exactly got a lot of traffic. Okay, so we're on YouTube. Now let's try it again. So I'm going to hit reverse. So let's foot on brake and into reverse, and it's okay. Well, it's doing better than it was. This was taking much longer. So that has been 5 seconds. So we're counting up again. That's 10 seconds. Okay, my foot's off the brake. This is 20 seconds. 25 seconds, 30 seconds. Okay, so that took 31 seconds, but you can see that's my issue. So they're telling me it's an update. I'm up to date on the software at the moment. I am on, which software am I on? Let's have a little look so you can see. So we are, car software was last updated 8th. Oh, sorry, it's up to date as of today, and I am on 20.48.35.5. I haven't received anything else pushed across to me yet. So we'll wait and see what happens with that, and then hopefully get it sorted out. I'm praying it doesn't need to go back into Tesla, because it's obviously it's like a 13-mile drive, or 12 or 13-mile drive, but that's each way, and it just takes time out of my day. And actually I am still working, because I am officially in property. I'm an estate agent, and my offices are open. We are doing viewings, and we are still looking after all of our tenants and all of our buyers. But so we'll see what happens. But that's my issue. So has anybody else had this problem? If so, please let me know. Okay, so we're in the Tesla, and we're going to try slip start, because this is something that I've never played around with. Okay, so we go into the main screen. So we just go into where, you know, the car button down here puts us into like all of the main controls. So we're going to go to driving, and then if you come down here, you'll see it says used to help free vehicle stuck in snow, sand or mud. So slip start enabled. Okay, so I've got warning signs come up here. Don't know what. I think it's because my seatbelt isn't on. So let me put my seatbelt on, and is that gonna go off? Still not going off. What's this? Let's see. Something is going on here. Tire settings. Okay, I think it's because I need to roll a bit. But I've got 3 indicators. So they were all on about 40, but obviously cold air. The air inside has obviously gone down, and I think that will come up and show me that they're on about, I would say 37, 38, which has probably set the alert off. Okay, so slip start, let's see what it does. So if we turn the wheel, turn that off. Oh, there's dog walkers out here. What's she doing? She's just there chilling out, doing her thing. Okay, so slip start is on, so I want her out of the way really, so that I can show you what's happening. So let me go over here, and then I'll turn around, and then we can see how this car acts. So you can hear the snow. It's really compacted and really quite noisy. Okay, so this is then. With slip start on, I'm going to put my foot down a little bit, and I'm going to see what the wheels do. So ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so lots and lots of slipping, and it makes quite a lot of noise when it does it. So let's try again. There it goes. Yeah, it makes sort of funny noises. So let's turn slip start off, and let's try again. So slip start is enabled, it says. So slip start enabled up there. So let's get rid of it. Driving, slip start off. Okay, so now we're just in normal driving. So we'll go over this little speed bump. Let's see what it does. Okay, so we'll stop, and then let's see. It's normal. It actually, I think it handles much better. Just in yeah, I mean, it's much better without slip start. So slip start is really, I don't know, it must be when you really need the wheels to sort of do that, you know, that motion when they're going round, a bit like ABS, but this feels much better under normal driving conditions like this. So yeah, it's interesting. So I don't think slip start is really applicable unless you've got serious conditions, I would say. And then it would be literally for pulling the car out, and then once it's out, stopping, switching off, and then moving off as normal. Yeah, it's an interesting one. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. I'm going to be doing some more scooter stuff because I've got some things that have got to be fitted to the 010X scooter. So that's going to be in my garage. I'm trying to tidy it up at the moment. It looks like a grenade has been tossed at it. But once that's done, I'm going to be taking the wheels off. I've got to put on new Magura discs, which are 160mm discs, new spacers, new bolts. Then I've got to put on 4-piston calipers, which is total overkill on a electric scooter. But so I'm having 4-piston calipers front and back with new pads. I've got new adapters to fit those, new lines, new hydraulic lines, and brand new Magura MTE5 brake levers and obviously the calipers I've talked about. So stay safe. The snow is starting to come down. I'm thinking a walk might be a serious, excuse me, I just burped. It might be a seriously bad idea, but I'm going to go out again and brave it. And this is, you know, I got with a head like mine. This is amazing. I mean, I'm going to need a trip to the hairdresser. Take care, guys. Subscribe. See you soon.